Hi everyone, welcome to Home Utilities. We bring the latest inventions and smart gadgets that make your daily life more easier and enjoyable. You can find the links in the description where you can buy similar products. Before starting the video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you can keep updated with our future videos. Watch the video till end so that you will not miss products that might make your daily activities easy. Hand beater. Hand operated beater is used to beat eggs, cream and churning to make lassi and butter. 3-tier rotating corner shelf. It can be rotated 180 degrees and shelf height can be adjusted, helps in keeping your space neat and organized. Magnetic baskets. Attached to refrigerated side, make use of every inch of kitchen space. Easy to grab what you need. Salad spinner. If you are a salad person, then this is a must-have gadget. A very convenient to wash and dry salad and can easily prepare your favorite salad. Fruit plucking rod. This rod is useful to pluck the fruits that are not reached by hand. Under bed storage box. It can be used for multi-purposes. 360-degree rotating wheels make it easy to slide under and outside of bed. Handles and side clips keep the box tightly secured. It can be opened from two sides. We can store toys, old clothes, blankets, etc. These boxes can be placed one on top of each other. Mop holders. Adhesive mop holders keeps the broom and mops organized by keeping them in place and prevents from falling off. Foldable metal basket. It can be easily converted into 8 different shapes you can use as per your requirements. This can be used as fruit bowl, eggs basket, window lock. By installing window lock, kids find it difficult to open the window and sliding door. Floor sifter. This fast and convenient floor sifter is easy to use with one hand by pressing the handle back and forth. Portable cooking kettle. Small design make it convenient to carry anywhere and make noodles, soups, etc. Wall mounted storage baskets. This wall mounted double layer storage basket can be hung anywhere such as on the wall next to washing machine in the kitchen and bathroom. Desk trash bins. These cute and little trash holders bring cleanliness to your workspaces. Foldable fan. Compact and lightweight fan with adjustable height makes it easy to carry and use indoors or outdoors. Sliding under sink rack. This smooth sliding rack provides versatile storage in compact spaces to keep supplies and essentials neatly stored in your kitchen. Geometric heat pads for kitchen. The soft and flexible silicone heat pads for kitchen can be used as a heat pad to protect your kitchen surface from all hot dishware. 3-in-1 combo breakfast maker. This versatile breakfast station covers your entire morning breakfast, allowing you to make milk, toast, eggs all at once. Foldable plastic box. This folding organizer box can make full use of the space of car, office and home, and it is easy to carry and move. Trendy cushions. These trendy shaped pillows with their happy colors, soft touch are the perfect cuddle buddy for you. Comment below which shape cushion do you like to have with you. Kids hand-free umbrella. This hand-free umbrella is convenient for kids to use and have fun during rain. Wall-mounted cutlery holder. This space saver will make full use of space in your room as well as make your room look clean and tidy and make things available all at one place. Garbage bag dispenser. Ideal for storing and dispensing bags and keep the kitchen clean and tidy and space saver. Sticky tape. It is used to fix or paste items such as picture walls, car phone holder, wall sticker, hook, etc. The removable double-sided tape is very easy to remove. Pineapple eye peeler. Easily removes perfectly formed rings while leaving the core in the shell without wasting the fruit. Sink strainer. Made out of silicone, it won't break or rust over time, ensuring long-lasting protection against clogging. Please subscribe, like and share the video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.